Yo, this is Paulie D from United Jack Nation. I'm here at ProFit Gym, Saturday morning, Deer Park, New York. Freaking awesome. I want to talk to you today about a legal option to taking steroids. Okay, something that'll really get you jacked, something that'll get you pumped. Been talking about this product, this element for decades. Okay, but I want to let you know I've been taking it on and off for the last 45 years. Okay, it is some serious stuff. It'll give you a great pump. It'll give you great recovery time between sets. I've seen improvements of people that do follow-up sets. You know, they'll do maybe 20 or 30 reps. Maybe they'll do like 20 reps first set. They rest 60 seconds. They bang out 5 reps. Okay, after taking this product for a couple weeks, they're following up sets with their follow-up sets are almost like the first set. Okay, they're doing 17, 18 reps as opposed to 20. Okay, most of you probably already figured out what I'm talking about, what element I'm talking about. I'm going to show you. It is creatine. Okay, you need, okay, can't stress that enough, need to start taking creatine if you're not on it now. Okay, don't believe all the hype about it's bad for your kidneys, so on and so forth. It's all bullshit. Okay, like I said, I've been taking this for 45 years. My kidney functions are perfect, right on point. Liver functions. I go to my cardiologist every year. Everything is perfect. Okay, I'm 230 pounds. I'm gonna be 60 years old in a couple months. All right, I've never been stronger. I've never been more jacked in my life. All right, so highly recommend the Muscle Tech version creatine. Okay, this one happens to be fruit punch flavor, I think. Yeah, very tasty. It mixes instantly. What I do is I put it in my shaker bottle. All right, that's what it looks like in the shaker bottle. All right, and I carry this in the gym with me. I use this as my pre-workout. This happens to be the HCI version, so it's hydrochloride. All right, so as opposed to most people take monohydrate. Monohydrate's great too, you know, especially if you want to load, if you want a little water weight, if you want a little water in your joints, so on and so forth. The HCI is good because it's instantaneous. You take it, 20 minutes later, it's in your system. Okay, and you don't gain any water weight or anything like that. So if you're trying to stay shredded, but you want extra strength, you want extra recovery time, you know, quicker, you know, better workouts, more intense workouts, extra reps, so on and so forth, this is the product to go for. Okay, you don't necessarily have to buy Muscle Tech, but I've been using this now for about 2 years. Highly recommend Muscle Tech. It's fantastic, great product, and yeah, I recommend it. All right, well, thank you for watching. We appreciate your time. Please like, subscribe, and follow us. Okay, and stay jacked, my friends.